Hello guys, this is Eleftheria Barbajanis from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel and happy new year. All the best. I hope you're well. Now, in today's video, it's a small video about, how to use Pinterest for business and obviously use the features. As you can see, things can change every day on Pinterest. So I'm going to show you a little bit how to use like analytics. So if you notice that are a bit different on the tabs over here, so as you can see now we're main profile with all my boards, the group boards, and then we can have a little little mini tour. So first of all, remember that, as I say every day, that doesn't matter what's the algorithm on Pinterest, you have to make sure you create content and put fresh content and create boards in relation to your business. Now, inside my free course and inside my course in general, I have details on how to grow a steady, sustainable income and how to grow your account. Doesn't matter if the algorithm is changing or not. And remember that we have the keywords, we're using the right funnel, like the keywords, the emails, and also, when to distribute it and how to do campaigns. So basically, you have the organic traffic strategies, and then you have paid traffic strategies. So let's have a little tour because things has changed. If you go here, before we didn't have like the requested feature or ad support on the main profile, if you notice. So you can add actually another account for those who manage in other people's account, or you have a personal account, then you need to make sure that you can add it, and anytime that you want to log in, you can actually choose which one you log in. Here is the engagement, comments left on your pins, and people that like your pins. And remember that inside my course, you need to make sure that when you're promoting and you're starting a campaign, to actually choose what audience do you want to promote. In my free course, you can sign up. The free course is there, and I explain the difference between warm audience and cold audience, and also inside my course I explain how to do a campaign and how to convert those clients that are actually engaged with your content rather than completely cold audience, and also of course to have a campaign for cold audience and organically and paid, because that is why a lot of people struggling on Pinterest that don't know how actually to have a plan. Inside my course, you go step by step. And this is what you need to do from 2021, that you need actually to make sure you growing correctly and ignore the algorithm whatsoever, because algorithms are going to change. Instagram, Twitter, everything. You need to focus in on creating content. And inside my course, I have the tips on how to do it. I share strategies that you will not find anywhere that I use, and it's really working for me, because what you need to care is about the sales and about the conversions. And remember, but if you make 5,000 or monthly just by selling your products, then you need to make sure you make 10K. I have a PDF file with strategies on how to make 10K. You can go to my website and you can see it straight away. Just download it and get the tips. Leave me a comment below if you need any help. So this is the tab that we use for engagement. People, they leave comments or our pins, what they like, what they ask. And then here is when they send message, they send in us message, or we send message. And here is all the notification that we get, who has saved our pins and who's following us, because remember that is all new things that change. And then here we have the business hub, and then we have the home feed. Let's go to the home feed. So you can see here we have for you today following. So we have what you're following, you have today, and you download everything, that is going on today. So you get a lot of inspiration, and it's very beautiful. So Business Hub. So here you have the latest Pinterest products, impressions from the last couple of days. You have my recent pins here, and then you have your top pins. Generally, we didn't have this before, so this is all about the business, and you have like how to create pins here, understanding your analytics is very, very important for you to understand your analytics. I go in depth inside my course, because if you want to really grow your account in 2021, you need to have a plan, and that is, the key to everything. You need to have a strategic plan on where you are now, and where do you want to go. So that's something that you need to focus on for your content, for everything. And also here about the ads, audiences, targeted tools, for example. This is a Business Hub. We didn't have, remember that before, so it's something new. Here also we have how to create the ad, how to, for example, upload a pin. And we have to create an ad here. So something that is on my course. I go, what is best for you, what campaigns you should do, and what to do. Because remember that I go in details how to start. If you think that having a Pinterest marketing campaign straight away, like one tap, is it's going to help you, actually no, it's not. So you need to know how to do it. It's not easy. If you think it's easy to set it up and that's it, no, it's not. You really need to go in depth, because you really, really, really need to monetize your ads in order to get more conversions and to get more sales. If you don't get sales, then there's no point of having a campaign. Here we have the most important thing. If you also notice, we have the conversion side. We didn't have that before. This is very, very important. So we have the overview of the analytics. We press here. This is, the performances of the last couple of days, what is going up, what is going down. You see a lot of my engagement went down because of Christmas, but that's not the point. The point is that you keep an eye on what word, doing. You see this organically, what is paid, organic, and paid, and not organic. You see all the top pins, top boards. Then we go to audiences. This is very, very important. You see, your audiences is very, very important. I go in details inside my course on how to actually take advantage of your audiences, because this is very important part. The audiences side is very important part. You can actually get a lot of followers by using all this information that Pinterest is giving you. And this is why you need to pay attention. And this is from the last 30 days. That's not a lot. Usually is 500,000 people, but is falling because of Christmas. This is all Pinterest users. So here you have what the category of the people are interested in my profile or in my pins. So this is all the details. You have the age, you have the gender. So this is what you need to pay attention, because what is important is what are your audience searching for on Pinterest. And remember that Pinterest users are ready to buy. So this is something for you to remember and use it to your advantages. So, and then you can compare here. We have another tab. You can compare, you see, the total audiences, Pinterest audiences, like, what they're tracking, what is incredible. It's very interesting and it's very, very helpful for us to grow. Then conversion sites. Obviously, my tags has been updated. I say that again and again, but I don't know why this problem, but I don't need to worry about that. And is giving us the overview here. If you go, it's like giving you how many conversions you get, how many presses you get. Inside though, guys, don't forget that here we have the trends. Remember that this is very important as well. Inside my course, I talk about this is the product conversions, how many people will sign up for the sales at the audience. I go on in details inside my course about that, because this is something for you to get. And this is something for you to understand that, how you're going to grow for 2021 is for you to have a plan. So basically, how many boards do you have at the present? So how many pins you're going to pin and what content you are going to pin. So where are you going to distribute these pins? How are you going to convert them? How many people visited your website? You need to make sure that your website is a lead magnet machine. So you have at least converted half of those people that, visited your website. And if you don't convert them, again, you need to monetize with keywords and your website and Pinterest. You see, if you don't do that, then you're not gonna get the results you want. I hear this from, customers, from clients on my Facebook group, that people, I don't get enough Pinterest traffic. No, you can grow steady. You can grow steady and go. Because remember, if you take how much money you make a present from your products, you make $30,000 per month, hit 5,000, then hit 10,000. How are you going to get there? Now, think about that. What are you going to be in the next 3 months? Where are you going to do your research? Do your research. Here you have the trend. Trends is very, very important. We'll talk about this, that is very, very important to get ideas. You have plenty of things to use. So remember that we didn't have all of those. Now we have all of the analytics, and also this is from the videos. But my videos and what videos I upload, again, I go on details on my course, and they're very, very popular. On what to obviously, use. This is all for ads, the custom reports, conversions, audiences. Remember that you need to make sure that you creating campaigns for cold audience, warm audience. I'll go in details inside my course, and this is how you're going to actually grow your business. There is no need, to just get lost or say, I cannot do it, or, this is not working for me. And it's simple, easy to remember. Remember that there is no point of paying for ads if you don't know how to do them, because then you're wasting money on ads. And for you need to actually make sure you are working to convert most clients and working to make sure that your ads are working and you're not wasting money. Because you might go and say, I'm going to do this campaign and see what happens. Don't just guess. You need people to buy from you. And this is what you learn inside my course anyway. So I thought I should show you a couple of new features for today, since it's New Year, and get a couple of ideas, because this is how you need to use Pinterest correctly. Not just say, I'm going to change my boards, covers, and I'm losing views and I don't get that. And it's nothing about the views, and it's nothing about, if you have enough followers or not. You need to make sure you push your profile into the smart fit. Have a strategy. So that's it for me today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your love. Thank you for the support. Let's have a great year ahead. I wish you well, guys.